Hey babes, welcome back! Today we're talking about YK Nice and why everyone's saying her latest move was strictly business. So grab your drink, your bonnet, and let's get into it. Quick teaser clip of YK Nice's interview or a quote overlay. It was strictly business, nothing more. How she first gained traction through blogging and social media commentary. Mention her early audience, her strong online presence, and how people started noticing her authenticity and style. Add girly commentary, like she really knew how to brand herself without even trying. Okay? She understood the internet before the internet understood her. Talk about how she linked up with Pluto and why people assumed there was more to it. Reference her interviews where she clarified the situation, explaining it was strictly business. Insert commentary like, now y'all know how the internet loves to mix friendship, chemistry, and business, but sis made it clear this wasn't a situationship, it was a contract. Discuss online rumors that spiraled from her collabs and content. Highlight her maturity in handling it publicly, addressing fans without feeding negativity. You can tell YK Nice isn't letting gossip knock her off her grind. She's focused on her paper, her projects, and her piece. Dive into how she's now positioning herself as a businesswoman. Interviews, deals, branding partnerships, maybe future label connections. Talk about how this moment marks her shift from being seen as just a blogger to an actual brand. This is the level up era, babe. She's not chasing clout, she's chasing contracts. Share your takeaway moment. Ladies, this is your sign to keep things business when you need to. Don't let people blur your boundaries just because they see potential chemistry. Offer a positive spin. If YK Nice can turn drama into direction, we can too. All right, babes, that's today's tea. What do y'all think? Was this the smartest business move of her career? Drop your thoughts. Girl, let's really talk about it. Because YK Nice didn't just stumble into the spotlight, she studied it. Behind the scenes, she was watching how the internet moves, how people build influence, and how narratives can make or break a career. When the whole collaboration wave started, she knew exactly what she was doing. That strictly business quote wasn't shade, it was strategy. She wanted people to talk, to speculate, to click, but she also wanted to set a boundary. It's giving. Smart marketing with a sprinkle of mystery, and honestly, that's how you win the algorithm these days. Now, of course, once her name started trending, the blogs couldn't resist. You had commentary channels dissecting every little move, trying to paint the picture like something more was going on. But if you really look at her interviews, she's calm, composed, and intentional. She keeps repeating that she's focused on her bag and her next project. I love that for her. Because while everyone else was chasing clout, she was building contracts. She's been spotted in meetings, brand calls, and even teasing new partnerships that show she's transitioning into full-on mogul energy. What really separates YK Nice from a lot of internet personalities is her mindset. She doesn't just chase moments, she builds momentum. Every post, every interview, every outfit, it all feeds the brand. And let's be real, she's tapping into a new type of feminine hustle, confident, pretty, and professional. She's redefining what it means to be a boss babe in this space. People might have first clicked for the drama, but they're staying for the discipline. And the timing? Genius. Every time a little gossip circulates, she drops something new, a snippet, a new look, a business promo, something to redirect the narrative. That's how you flip energy. It's the same formula that built some of the biggest influencers in the game. Even when people tried to stir the pot with Pluto rumors, she never lost her composure. Instead, she leaned into her femininity and professionalism, reminding everyone that being unbothered is a marketing tool too. So when she said, this was strictly business, she meant it on multiple levels. It wasn't just about that collaboration, it was about her career. She's teaching a quiet lesson. Protect your energy, your name, and your network. And as women watching her story unfold, we can all take notes. Stay soft, stay smart, and stay strategic. Because the prettiest revenge is turning every rumor into revenue, every headline into a hustle, and every season into your glow-up era. And honestly, babes, YK Nice's story is the perfect reminder that you can be soft and strategic at the same time. You can chase your dreams, protect your peace, and still look good doing it. Like, it's 2025. We're not shrinking ourselves anymore. We're walking into rooms knowing our worth and letting our work speak louder than the noise. If YK Nice can turn every what's the tea moment into a what's the brand deal moment, so can we. And speaking of leveling up, y'all already know I love mixing business and beauty because when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you move different. So if you haven't yet, make sure to check out my online beauty shop. Everything is made for the girls who are on their grind, but still love a little glam. From affordable press-on nails to self-care must-haves, it's giving confidence in a cart, okay? The link's down in the description, so go treat yourself after this video. You deserve it, babe. But before we log off this little FaceTime gossip session, remember this. The glow up isn't just about looks, it's about mindset. Protect your business, your boundaries, and your energy. Every rumor, every setback, every doubt can be fuel if you let it. So keep showing up, keep creating, and keep building your empire. Because your next strictly business move might just be the one that changes everything.